Nugget's coming today.
Charlotte,
The Nugget's coming today.
you think?
We're having day Nuggets today.
Oh, look it. Tell him thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell me what color a new Nugget is.
Nugget.
Blue. Michael's bringing it in. Everybody's got a seat? I need Timmy to come rip open the box.
Timmy, be strong. Timmy. Timmy, be strong.
Timmy, did you hear Charlotte?
Yeah. Timmy, be strong. Okay, I will. Mom, you super muscles. Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
And then it's taped again.
Nice. All right. Ooh, look at the color. What do you guys think of this? Isn't that pretty?
Wow.
Daniel, come hold the box, and Michael, pull the nugget out of the...
Compliment our other nuggets very well. Very nice.
Wow.
Wow, all right.
With the plastic.
Nope, not yet. Okay, let's move the nugget box out of the living room.
Warp it down.
Okay. Can you believe it's in that small of a package? Okay, so here is our tip for opening the nugget. Trauma shears. It works really well to not cut the fabric. And I'm going to have Genevieve.
Hey, Mom, can I just pull this? It'll undo.
No, it really
If I
won't.
just pull it, it will.
It really will not. Playing with the box over here because that's an important part.
The box is moving.
Wow.
Woo! Hey there.
Hey, Charlie, can you have the box?
You can be the box girl.
Okay, take the box out because it's about to pop open.
I can be the box girl.
Work together.
Timmy, you might want to move, buddy.
It's gonna pop open.
She fell over.
Oh, no, that's what it is. Gonna pop.
Kind of. It's got to unroll.
You know what our other nuggets look like?
It looks like a rug.
Wow. I was like,
That looks nice. They look like mini
dehydrated
nuggets.
nugget.
What? A dehydrated nugget?
Mom, look at the tag. Oh, yeah.
Oh, those tags are new.
Hey, Mom, I want
This
to
nugget's hard. Oh, it's got a fluff up.
Yeah, it's got to fluff up a little bit. Timmy's just gonna get to work.
Echo, stop.
Charlotte, what do you think?
Oh, wow.
She loves to jump.
I'm gonna go put these back in Dad's backpack.
I
Okay.
bet I can jump higher than them. Oh, wow.
Charlotte,
The back girl fell.
the Batgirl fell.
Can I go get the other nuggets?
You want to bring all the nuggets in the
Yeah.
living room?
Let's go.
All right, bring them in. These look like well played with nuggets. All right, what are you guys gonna build?
Let's build a tower.
Timmy, are you waiting patiently? That's kind of cool.
Or do the pink one. And
Now we have like a huge crash pad.
No, do the blue one.
Well, yeah, you can do it in that. Or I was saying you can also do it in reverse order.
You like Lagoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is pretty.
Rainbow trampoline.
Hey guys, hold on, I need to put these on.
Rainbow trampoline. Okay, if you're as tall as Josh, you may not rainbow trampoline.
I'm taller.
You're taller.
Mommy, I'm taller.
Oh my goodness, look at you guys. Andrew, that's your only warning.
Whoa, we're taller.
That's a lot of nugget. Okay, build me an epic fort. Hey Genevieve,
What?
how's it going?
Goodish.
Did you say that you are not going to be an architect?
Back more, back more, back more. Look, it needs supported in the middle of it. There you go. Like, you are not, definitely not going to be nice.
There, Charlotte, I built you a castle.
Not yet, not yet.
Whoever's knocking in the box, please stop. Charlotte!
Not yet, Charlotte.
Look at that!
This is how it needs to be.
Daniel, the whole thing is collapsing. So there. Middle is definitely good enough for you to sit in.
Alright, let me see here. Let me get back. Our house is not it's not big enough. Alright, let's see. Guys, that looks cool.
Tell me before you take me off, Becca, because
There, Charlotte, I built you a sturdy castle. Well,
Hey! Smile! Oh,
Sorry.
that's okay. What do you think of that castle? Because what? Oh, Timmy, she needs her beautiful scarf. What?
This is my scarf of Princess Queen. Okay.
Yes. Oh, Charlotte. How do you look?
What would you like?
Do you look fabulous? Hey.
I want a toy. A new toy. Okay. I want this truck.
You want a truck?
Yep. Mom, look.
You look fabulous. Look at you. Can you crawl all the way through it? That's kind of a cool little... Oh, it's because the ottoman's back there. She can't really... Hey, look at that.
This one I can crawl through.
Football from New Orleans.
Is this a football? Can I get it?
Hey, you can both climb across it.
Wait.
Look at this.
What did they do?
Is that fun, Charlotte?
Oh.
Did you figure out what you did wrong?
Well, this one they're using less nuggets and making it a bigger circle.
Okay, whoopsies.